first step of pre-reading is picking up clues from the text. So here I am at the website where this article was originally published. I see the name of the publication is Politico. It's a magazine. That now is one of my key terms that I'll try to research in a minute. I'm looking at the title, which tells me a lot about the article. Unseen reason working class students drop out. There's another key term, working class. Not really sure what that means. I'm going to look that up in a minute too. But the title tells me what the article's focus is. I'm scanning down the article and I see some highlighted words, so you might find some clues there. There's a chart that shows the rising cost of college. Another clue. So step one is picking up clues from the text without reading the text. Step two is researching key terms. And I can do some of that right here on the Politico website. Like the authors' names are Nicole Stevens and Sarah Townsend. I see here that they're both professors. So their names are actually key terms, and I've got some information about them right here. I can learn about Politico, the online magazine, by looking at its sections, or even better, I can go to the very bottom of the article and click on the About Us button there, which just disappeared on me, but the About Us button takes us to their mission statement, and that tells us a lot. So third step is going to YouTube and typing in some of those key terms and picking up some information that will prepare you to read about this topic, working class college students. And I kind of like this one here. It looks interesting, why working class students struggle more in college. That's exactly the topic that the article's about. It's a really brief video. It looks like, let's see, I'm going to click on it.
I'm Tom Steyer. In 2010,
little political ad to begin with. But so that's the third step, is going to YouTube and having a look at some videos.